So here are the different vehicles. You got Fontana K9 unit, Fontana K9 unit. You have a Ford with California exempt, Taurus black, a Dodge Caliber regular plates, silver, Rialto PD SWAT, Challenger or Charger, government plates, and another Chevy with regular plates. Looks like a Malibu. So these are the undercovers that they're using here in Rialto. Oh yeah, the whole high desert all looks like this. So 6HUS 697 teal Chevy. You got a Dodge Magnum SUV, or Dodge Magnum 6JOD166. It's the license plate, it's silver. Ford Taurus. It too has government plates 1431179. And you got another Charger over here, 1561044. So these are the undercovers in the area. Make sure you watch for them.